clip.
And the thing is, I already tried like most of the stuff already. So, and then I realized, I was like, wait, I did eat or try the horse sashimi not too long ago. It was probably after the bingo was announced, so it should count. But I think you really have to be careful about eating raw things, especially in the summer. If your stomach is not used to it, I don't think I would recommend it to people much. My stomach is used to eating a lot of different things. So... Didn't know you could eat raw red meat. Oh, there's a lot of raw red meat here. There's actually like a store I went to that especially specialized in a meat like sushi. Like, you know, like the nigiri sushi usually, but it was with like red meat. Tartar. Is that how you say tartar? My brain always reads it as tartare. Tartar. Tartar. It's not really raw. It definitely is. At least the meat sashimi stuff that I've eaten. It is absolutely raw. It's raw! I'm not talking about tartar. I'm talking about the meat sashimi.
Ding ding ding. Ding ding ding. Ding ding ding. Ding ding.